Apple Mac Mini. Apple took its sweet time updating the smallest of Macs, but the Mac Mini was well worth the wait. The latest Mac Mini has a slick new look with its darker space gray anodized finish, despite retaining the same dimensions and uneven design as the previous model. It also picks up some improvements, like a speedy collection of ports, including 4 Thunderbolt 3 ports for connecting displays, storage, and anything else. It even offers a bit of upgradability, with traditional SO-DIMM slots for adding memory, though other hardware and storage are not user-serviceable. Despite rocking an older 8th generation Intel Core i3 processor, the littlest Mac managed to put up numbers that bested better-equipped systems and offers a surprising amount of power in a pleasantly compact design. Based on our testing, it's the best mini PC overall, delivering excellent power and value in a compact package. Since our initial review, Apple has actually doubled the amount of storage offered in basic configurations for the same price. Because other hardware remains the same, we expect performance to be relatively unchanged, and our recommendation stands. Azulle Access 3. The Azulle Access 3 takes our favorite tiny stick PC and makes it even better. With a compact design that's almost small enough to put on a keychain and flexible enough to be used with any monitor or TV, the Access 3 gets a faster processor, speedier USB 3.0 ports, and adds gigabit Ethernet for better performance and connectivity than any other stick PC we've reviewed. The zippy performance even supports 4K video output, making it great for streaming. Whether it's for use in your home theater, powering digital signage, or just giving you a way to watch Netflix on your hotel TV, the Access 3 presses forward in a form factor that larger manufacturers have largely forgotten. The Azulle Access 3 is our new favorite stick PC and the best mini PC you can slip into your pocket. Intel Hades Canyon NUC. Intel's Hades Canyon NUC is a mini PC that delivers desktop gaming-grade performance in a chassis that's about the size of a book. Thanks to its Intel Core i7 AMD Radeon RX Vega hybrid chip, which combines processing and discrete graphics on a single chip, the Hades Canyon NUC can handle AAA games and VR in a small, black brick that can be tucked into a backpack or added to a home entertainment center. Despite its small size, the Hades Canyon NUC is loaded with ports, including Thunderbolt 3 ports and HDMI output. If you buy the barebones kit, you'll need to provide memory and storage and your own installation of Windows, but this pint-sized gaming machine can go toe-to-toe with NVIDIA GTX 1050 Ti-powered gaming tower, and it even handled a bit of VR. It's the best mini PC you can get for gaming without compromise. HP Z2 Mini G4. The HP Z2 Mini G4 is an ultra-small workstation PC, cramming workstation-level components and ISP-certified graphics into a desktop PC that's smaller than some books. It's got stylish looks and a surprisingly accessible interior, but the real draw is the high-powered processing and graphics options. It's also the best mini PC you can get for workstation performance while maintaining that compact size. Equipped with a beefy 6-core Intel Xeon processor, 32 GB of RAM, and NVIDIA Quadro P1000 graphics, the Z2 Mini easily handles workloads that other mini PCs struggle with and is certified to work with a variety of mission-critical programs from vendors like Autodesk, Avid, Siemens, SolidWorks, and Vectorworks. If you're an engineer or designer that wants a workstation desktop that won't take up your whole desk, this is the powerful mini PC we recommend. Lenovo ThinkCentre M710Q. The Lenovo ThinkCentre Tiny Desktop puts full-sized business-grade productivity into a compact package that's smaller than a paperback book. It offers all sorts of business-friendly features into its small, square chassis, with plenty of ports, speedy Wi-Fi, and options to add an optical drive, or even transform the mini PC into an all-in-one desktop using Lenovo's Tiny-in-One monitors. Our review unit offered solid performance thanks to an Intel Core i5-7500T processor, 8 GB of RAM, and a 256 GB Opal-compliant solid-state drive. With decent performance and plenty of flexibility, it's the best mini PC for most office users. The small size belies the capabilities inside, with configurations that offer up to an Intel Core i7 processor, as much as 32 GB of memory, choices of HDD or SSD storage, and accessories for added functionality. Acer Chromebox CXi3. The Acer Chromebox CXi3 may be the best desktop version of Chrome OS available. Made for use in the classroom or in the office, the Chromebox CXi3 delivers everything that's great about Chrome: ease of use, simple security, and all the online capability you want in a mini PC that boasts great features and performance. The compact Chromebox can be mounted almost anywhere and boasts plenty of ports, including several USB 3.0 ports, HDMI output, and a USB-C port. Our model was outfitted with an Intel Core i5 processor, 8GB of RAM, and a 64GB SSD, combining to offer speedy performance and easy multitasking. Plus, it's cheaper than any similarly equipped Windows machine. For one of the best mini PC designs without the bloat of Windows, there's no beating the Acer Chromebox CXi3.